This AI commercial for Oakley Juliet was created entirely with artificial intelligence. All of this can be done without real filming, no camera crew, no actors, and no risk of flying off a board into a cliff. It was made using two tools, Nano Banana Pro, a new AI tool from Google, and Kling AI. AI doesn't just protect stunt performers, it also saves a huge amount of money. That's exactly why AI advertising is already being used by major brands. Watch until the end and you'll learn how to find your place in this fast-growing industry. Here's an AI-driven ad from Gucci, and I'll say even more. You'll learn how to create videos that look even better than Gucci's. The real skill you need to learn is how to write great prompts. Let me show you how to create an ad like this from scratch. To avoid getting lost in hundreds of tools, I always follow a simple 4-step framework. Step 1, storyboard. We come up with the story and break it down into scenes. Step 2, keyframes. We create strong, eye-catching images using Nano Banana Pro. Step 3, animation. We bring those images to life using Kling. And step 4, editing. We put everything together in a video editor. We start with the storyboard. So we need 5 specific scenes that trigger emotion and stay in the viewer's memory. I really like the Oakley brand. They create genuinely iconic eyewear. So let's ask ChatGPT what kind of storyboard it would suggest for a stylish ad for Oakley's most legendary model, Juliet. We'll ask it to build a sequence of 5 shots. This version stood out to me the most. Scene 1, a lizard sits calmly, warming itself in the first rays of the sun. Macro shot, soft morning light. In the distance, we see a blurry silhouette of our hero. Then, a lightning-fast pass of a longboard. The lizard suddenly runs away. This creates a strong contrast between stillness and motion. Scene 2 is a close-up of the rider's face. This is where we properly introduce our hero. We show that behind this crazy stunt is not a reckless teenager, but an experienced rider. This is also where we truly present Oakley Juliet for the first time. The iconic metal frame, the lenses reflecting the asphalt. It clearly tells the viewer one thing. These glasses are tested by time and extreme conditions. And by the way, if you ever struggle with ideas for your own videos or have questions along the way, you can always join our AI creators community. You'll find the link first in the description. Scene 3, we pull the camera back and show scale and action. Scene 4, we generate a transition between 2 portraits, from an older rider to a younger one. Here, we borrow a bit of Red Bull energy. And the final 5th scene, the rider enters a tunnel shaped like the Oakley logo. Perfect. I already love this story. A strong product, a distinctive character. Everything is in place. If you like this style, subscribe to our channel. Now it's time to move on to prompt generation. To get strong, high-quality prompts, I use a tool developed inside our creators community, Prompt Engine. It doesn't just write prompts at a genius level, it also saves a huge amount of time. You give it an image, and it decodes that image into a detailed prompt. This allows you to get as close to your reference as possible. Perfect. The prompts are ready. Let's go. I always start with the hero's portrait because everything depends on it. The style, the colors, and how all the next shots will look. I work through the free pick service, and I'll leave the link in the description. I write a prompt for the AI like this. A rugged downhill rider, 50+ gray beard, wearing a helmet and Oakley Juliet glasses, sunrise in the mountains, a winding mountain road reflected in the lenses, close-up portrait, cinematic lighting. The AI gives me several options. I refine them until I get the perfect character. I want a rider who is clearly experienced, gray-haired but not old yet. Someone like this? Perfect. Once again, Nano Banana Pro impresses me. Look at the level of detail. The skin is so realistic. The beard, I see every hair. This textures. Everything is top quality, and I'm sure this is not the limit. In 6 months, the quality will jump even higher. That's exactly why learning AI tools right now is so important. Later, it will be much harder to catch up. Now we have our main reference. Next, I move through the scenes and go back to the lizard shot. And here a question comes up. How do we make the lizard calmly lie there and then reveal our exact character in the same frame? If the rider isn't visible at first, how does the AI know what he looks like? We need this exact older extreme rider, not a random one. The solution is simple. We use our first portrait as a reference image. We just drag it in and add the prompt about the lizard. The trick is that the AI generates a scene where our rider is already present in the background. This small technique saves us a huge amount of work. You'll find many more tricks like this inside our AI creators community. Check the first link in the description. Using prompts generated by ChatGPT, I created the remaining shots as well. The younger rider and the rider approaching the tunnel. Perfect. Now I have 5 strong images. It's time to bring them to life. For animation, I use Kling AI. It's one of the most stable, high-quality, and cost-efficient video generators available today. And once again, I asked ChatGPT to help me generate prompts for each scene. There are only 3 ways to create AI video. You can generate video from text, from an image with text, or by creating a transition between 2 images. In our case, we'll use only the last 2 methods. Text to video usually gives us a random character, and we need full control over who appears on screen. Let's go through our animation methods step by step. First, we take the portrait of our main character. Using a ready-made prompt from ChatGPT, we generate an action scene of him riding downhill on a longboard. Now the third method, and the most difficult one, creating a transition. We build a transition from the older rider to the younger one and add positive emotion to the transformation. To do this, we upload the frames in the correct order, from old to young, write the prompt, and start the generation. Next, we animate the lizard shot and the wide-angle scene. And that's it. All the visuals for our video are ready. Now we move on to editing. You can use any software you like, CapCut, Premiere Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. I always start with music. Music is extremely important. If you want to create videos like this yourself and be part of a group of like-minded creators, here's a little secret. Right now, there's a discount on membership in our community, just $9. Inside, you'll find tons of value and a circle of creative people who support each other. We're waiting for your work in the AI creators community. See you on the channel.